Hi buddies, it's me, Smart. Welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if this is your first time joining me. Today I want to inaugurate a new section in our channel, which is me trying weird stuff. Or not weird, but just, me trying new stuff that I get. I'm very curious. I know that in my first video or in my video from a couple of weeks, I talk about how I didn't want to get gimmicky stuff, but I tend to fall for them. But I'm also really interested in things that work differently, or new ways of applying something, or new ways of new formulations or things like that. And also, as you know, I love dupes as well. So I'm going to be trying stuff that I find interesting or that I am curious about. And to sort of get things started, our debut item will be this set of magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes. It's a magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes kit by the brand Arishine. And it says they're gorgeous and flawless. We'll try. You may know my issues with eyeliner, so that's we'll have to see. So I actually bought these ones the day, so I bought them on Boxing Day. I had seen a BuzzFeed article that talked about good deals on Amazon Canada, and they had this set, and a little bit of research just to make sure that nobody was saying that your eye falls off, because I felt that might be important. So I did that one. I did that research, and it seemed like most people were happy with them. I couldn't find anything bad about them. And they were about 20, I think with the discount were about $21 Canadian. So I decided to go ahead and get them. I'll show you what they look like in a minute. So what I like about this ones, I had seen before, and I had seen other YouTubers actually do reviews of magnetic lashes, but they were magnetic lashes that sort of sandwiched, you had a top lash and a bottom lash, and they sort of sandwiched your own lash in there. And the magnetic part was that the two lashes that came in the set would attract each other, and that would kind of seal it in. This one is a bit differently, because what you have is an eyeliner that has some kind of metal, and then your eyelashes will have magnets. So this is what it looks like. It comes with two eyeliners. This magnetic eyeliner. It comes with a little applicator, clumpy thingy. Clumpy? I don't know. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of lashes. I think they're different. Yes, they are different. They have different lengths, because you want to be gorgeous and flawless. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. I have to be 100% honest. I did a quick test run the day I got them, just to make sure that my eye wasn't gonna fall off. It didn't, good thing. But we're going to do a test run. And the other thing that I did that first time is I actually removed them wrong. So I'll talk about how you have to remove them, because again, I did that wrong. So when you get them, it comes with, is it here? Yes. The instructions on the box are not very good, and it feels like someone did a not so very good translation, or someone just didn't proofread enough. But you also have a little instruction booklet that tells you how to use it, and that one is actually a lot better in terms of how to use it than what you get in the box. So I don't know if it was what the disconnect was between the little insert and the box. So the way you're supposed to do it is you put the eyeliner. So carefully draw an eyeliner line along your eye according to its shape. And you want it to be as close as possible to your eyelash, the root of your eyelashes. And then you have to bend your magnetic eyelash band just to make it softer. And then you kind of put it in with the tweezers. And you just connect everything, and that's it. You can just adjust them. And then what I did wrong to remove is I just took them out, but actually you're supposed to kind of put some eye makeup remover on them for a while, and then remove them. So we're gonna put them to the test. We're actually going to try them. I read that if the eyeliner gets into your eye, it's incredibly painful, so let's hope that doesn't happen. I am terrible with eyeliner, so that will be sort of interesting to see But you know, let's get started and see where this takes us. So I'm gonna take the eyeliner and I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna get a lot of a good view of my side profile. Not my best side, but you know, we do what we can. So let's do this. So I know that the box says to end it with a flick, but the insert does not say that. So I'm gonna go with the box. So I'm gonna go with the insert and just not do the flick. So you may be wondering, why am I doing my eyeliner so weird and just in so many steps? And that is because I cannot do eyeliner to save my life. Okay. So I'm feeling it a little bit sticky now. And let's do that. Now we're going to take the eyelashes. I already messed it up here, but I'm gonna clean it up. So I'm gonna take a set of eyelashes and I'm gonna bend it a little bit. I don't think I bent this correctly. Wait a minute. So I'm gonna bend it and I'm gonna try to get it close enough, but I don't know if you see that there's like 5 magnets in there. I think that for my eyes, eventually I may want to cut them and make them a little bit smaller, but you see that. So I'm gonna use the little applicator. So things we just learned, the applicator is also made out of metal, so it's kind of like being attracted to the lash line. Now I'm just gonna go like this. And now one thing that I have to say is that the eyeliner is also very, it's like tacky, so I don't know if it's being like glued because it is good, it's the magnet, or if it's like the gooiness of the tackiness of the lashes of the eyeliner. So that's something to kind of think about. I'm gonna do the other one. Pray for me. Okay, I think here I just messed up and I didn't put enough eyeliner myself. You can remove them, no problem, and just reattach them. Okay. I'm gonna do a little quick fix. I thought about doing this off camera, and maybe I should have. Let's see if we can fix this. Yeah, that feels a little better. Okay, so I'm gonna go fix this in the bathroom and then come back and give you my thoughts. So I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, so I finished that look. I added some more eyeliner because my first eyeliner pass was not very good. So I kind of like I went with a regular like eyeliner and just, you know, fix it a little bit. So it was nice because actually it's like having a ruler. So I just went like over the lash, like the line of the fake lashes, and it just like there like that. So that worked really well. I cleaned it up. I put some like eyeliner. I put mascara too. They feel weird. I feel like they're secure, but like I definitely feel like I have them. Now it could be that I need to trim them a little bit so that they are a little bit smaller on my eyes. As you know, I do have tiny eyes. So that would mean, I just realized that this is giving you a weird light. There we go. That's better. So I do, like, I feel them. I feel that I have them, and like it feels like my eyelids are getting a workout from them. But all in all, I think like I'm gonna look myself here. I don't know if you can see it there, but like my lashes and my eyes look gigantic. don't know if you can see it. They do look a little bit clunky. Like if you look at that, that's not great. But at least from afar, they look actually kind of nice. In the mirror, they look kind of nice. My eyes look big and like I'm very surprised. So all in all, I would say, were they a good purchase? I think they're fine. I think I need to play with them a little bit more. Couple things. Number one is my eyes are not burning. My eyes are fine. I didn't get the eyeliner in my eye, which is a good thing, so I don't think you should do that. As I said, some people said that when you did that, it was very painful, so don't do that. You may want to trim them a little bit. If you want to get them, you may want to trim them a little bit. The one thing I have to say is, so this pair that I chose, which was the second pair, was the one that looked the shortest of all of these, and like they feel very long to me. Now it could be that I'm just not used to wearing fake lashes, and because of that they just feel very long. But like I don't think I could wear my glasses with this. Like, sorry, I'm just trying to see like how far, like when can I fill them. So yeah, definitely I would think more about wearing the other ones just because they feel so long. Trimming them, probably a good idea. I'm gonna look into, maybe I'm gonna choose one that I know for sure I'm not gonna wear because they're so long. Like maybe like the bottom ones that just feel like so long, or maybe this ones that just feel, this ones feel like be a bit too much. And maybe I'll trim them just to see where I would need to trim the other ones, the regular ones, to fit my eyes a little bit better. As you saw, they're not hard to put on. I think if you're better at eyeliner than I am, you would do great. But one thing I did like, let me see if I can see it, is that the oh, I'm just gonna evaluate something. Wait a minute, because I remembered, let me see something. Are they the same? Yeah. Yeah. So sorry, I thought that maybe like the eyeliner tips had a different thickness, but no, they're the same. But one thing I did like is that let me just open this properly. There we go. The eyeliner tip is really, really thin. So if you're like me and you know you have issues with eyeliner, it's easier to fix and it's easier to apply because it's not like boom, you put it on, you did wrong. It's just like you need to go through like a couple of times just to make sure that everything is covered. But I like that because the tip is so thin that it gives you a lot more precision for you to go with this. Comparing it to, so I'm just gonna get, this is these are the ones from Quick Fix that I had in my FitFun video, and ugh, this is like, this was not as easy. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. This was not as easy because I felt it was a bit, even this was a bit thick for my eyes. That one's a lot thinner, so that was kind of nice to have that. I love this one. Like, I know that you can just buy them, so if you wear fake lashes, you may already have one of these. But the other one that I had was like this small crabby one that was not as, oh, there's a hair. That was not as good. So this one I actually really like. It's made of metal, so it's pretty solid, and it gives you, I find that because it's longer, it just gives me more like depth, more like a better range of motion, so I like that. So yeah, do I recommend them? Yeah, sure. Like if you wanna play around with lashes and the idea of magnetic ones sounds interesting to you. I know that I've gotten like eyelash glue in my eyes many times and it was just not fun, but also like I've never been able to properly apply them. The one time that I successfully wore fake lashes that were glued on, or were glued with regular glue, was when my brother got married, and that is because a makeup artist put them on my eyes. But if not, it's been kind of hard for me. So this one felt really easy, and I didn't like hesitate when it came to, oh, how much time I should wait, is it dry, is it not dry. So for that reason, I do recommend them if you want to give it a try. Yeah, so those are my thoughts about the Arishine magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes kit. And also because like they were $20 and you get, maybe they're a bit more expensive now just because they were on sale, but you get 5 plus the 2 eyeliners plus the applicator or the little clamp, whereas just getting a regular pair of lashes usually is around $10 if you just get the most basic ones. These ones also feel really nice. They don't feel plasticky at all. They feel like hair, whereas I have others that feel really like the hair feels plasticky. This does not feel plasticky. They actually feel like hair. I don't know if they're as good as the quick fix ones that I have, which look like my own hair, but they are pretty good when it comes to the texture. So yeah, I recommend them. I enjoy them. I'll play around with them a bit more just to see, and if not, you know, just to see if they're good, how long they stay. I know that sometimes like the glue may come like out. I feel like with this ones that wouldn't be the case, because as long as you have the metal in the eyeliner and the magnets on the lashes, it just stay. So I'm gonna keep them on. I'm gonna keep them on like it's maybe like 7 p.m. now. So I'm gonna trying to keep them on before I actually go and wash my face. And if I have anything noteworthy to say, I will include it in my notes, either in the description, or I'll put like a little message at the end of the video just to let you know whether I had issues or not. So probably if I don't have issues, I may not say anything, but if I do have issues, I'll definitely let you know. Either in the description or in the actual video. So this has been all for this video. If I really want to know what you think, are my eyeliner skills laughable? Yes, but you can also let me know in the comments, or you can just tell me what other products you're interested in and you would like me to try. And anything else that you want to share with me. Do you wear fake eyelashes? Would you be interested in wearing fake eyelashes? Are you blessed with wonderful eyelashes so you don't need to? Just let me know in the comments if you want. And if you want to be notified of when I post new content, you can hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified. If not, just know that I post usually Mondays and Fridays. And this has been all for today. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope to see you very, very soon for another video.